Hey ladies, so welcome back. So today we're going to be doing another quick and easy install. So Sam's Beauty sent me this hair right here. This is from the company Free Tress. This is their boho hippie braid in 12 inches. And as you guys can see, the braid, the hair, it has a wave pattern to it, and then it has the braid. Now for whatever reason, I thought that the hair was much longer than what it was. I obviously overlooked the 12 inch when I saw it online. And like I said, I thought the hair was going to be a little bit longer than what it actually is. So what I decided to do, I am actually going to put a half a wig on the back of my hair. And then we're going to install the braids on top, just to give the hair like the illusion that it has a longer length. So let me show you all the unit that I'm going to be using. And it's just this half wig that I dug up out of my stash. If you have a headband wig, I think that that will work as well. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. But let me show you guys what I did to my hair. So I went on in and I just did the connected ponytails. And I did it halfway. And then I took the rest of my hair and I just gathered it in a ponytail. If you want to do your connecteds all the way to the back, you can do that. But like I said, our half wig is going to go on the back, so it's going to cover it up. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get our braid set down, and then we're going to just put our half wig on. And if you're comfortable with the 12 inch, then that's cool too. But like I said, I wanted it to have some length. So I'm just going to install this right at the back of our head. Okay, ladies, so as you guys can see, I have our half wig installed at the back, and then we're just going to jump right into installing the braids. You all have seen me install crochets plenty of times, so the steps are very much repetitive, but I'll just go ahead and show you guys. So we're just going to slide it under, pull it through, and we're going to take the ends, close it, pull it back through the loop. Like so. And I'm just going to do that all the way across. Now I was looking at the back of the stock card, and I do see that this hair comes in the 22 inches. So that's probably what I should have asked for instead of the 12 inch. But like I said, if you're not really into the long hair like that, then I feel like the 12 inch will do you justice. But y'all know your girl like length, so that's why I added the half weave to the back. And like I said, this is really easy, really easy. And I'm just going to get this hair installed. Okay, ladies, so I'm back. As you guys can see, I have been crocheting off camera, and this is what I have installed so far. All right. It is looking really cute to me. It's giving me the illusion of, I won't say micro braids, because the braids are bigger than micro braids, but it's giving me the illusion of box braids, wavy box braids. But yeah, so I just wanted to come and show you ladies how it is looking. And I'm gonna turn to the side so you guys can see how the wavy texture of the braids, how it's flowing with the half wig. So I'm just gonna continue installing. All right, ladies, so as you guys can see, I am done installing my hair, and this is the outcome. Okay, I'm going to turn so you guys can see how the side looks, and then I'll turn so you can see how the back looks. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put some mousse in it, just a little bit, just to make sure that the waves of the braid hair in our unit is blending. But yeah, I think that this turned out really, really cute. And it only literally took me like 30 minutes to do this, y'all. So I think you all would love it, especially if you're looking for a real quick and easy hairstyle with the illusion of braids. Then I think that this will definitely be it. I'm also going to grab some edge control and just slick my little edges down a little bit. Spray some oil sheen on it to give it some luster and sheen. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. As you guys can see, I got them edges together. If you are not a big fan of baby hair, slick edges, or anything like that, then by all means, just brush your edges back into your braids. But, you know, your girl Woo is extra, so that's what I like. Okay, so I am feeling this hairstyle. I hope you ladies like it too. You may even have similar items in your hair stash. So, like I said, if you're in a rush or if you need something really convenient and you don't really have a lot of time to spend installing your crochets, then pop your half wig or your drawstring, no, your half wig or your headband, pop it on the back of your head, pin it down for security, and just install your braids or your twists, okay? So, ladies, if you're feeling this, then hit up Sans Beauty. I want to thank you for hanging out with me. Remember to stay safe, sanitize, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.